Hello dear students, in our last virtual class, we have completed up to para second on page number 18. So in today's video, we will continue the story. So let's start a reading of the story. Hearing him, one wonder if he has achieved what many have felt in their lifetime. He has a roof over his head. Dear students, it was the great achievement of the life of father of Mukesh as he has managed a roof over his head, a home for his family. So it was the greatest achievement of his life, which many people could not achieve. So it was a good thing for him. The cry of not having money to do anything except carrying on the business of making bangles, not even enough to eat, rings in every home. The young men echo the lament of their elders. Little has moved with time. It seems in Firozabad. Years of mind-numbing toil have killed all initiative and the ability to dream. So there was one thing that was lamentation. Means everyone, every family in Firozabad was not happy. They were lamenting that they had not enough money. They have not enough money for doing any other thing, to start any new business. That's why they were forced to do the same occupation which their fathers were doing. That was only making bangles for others. So, in this way, the young ones of the families were thinking that their elders committed mistake, and they were unable to they were unable to change their thinking. They were unable to change their mind setup because they toiled very hard. They worked very hard, and they got no time to think any other thing than making bangles in Firozabad. That's why in this process, their ability to dream something big, their strength to take any new initiative, so all these things slowly and slowly were killed in them, and they were completely trapped in the business of making bangles in Firozabad. So this was the lamentation of the families who were involved in making bangles and were suffering from dire poverty. Why not organize yourselves into a cooperative? I asked a group of young men who have fallen into the vicious circle of middlemen who trapped their fathers and forefathers. So the writer Anis Jung asked a group of young men who looked her courageous for starting their own cooperative groups, and those young men, I mean the group of young men, was entrapped, was caught, was fallen in the circle of vicious, money making, greedy middlemen. I mean the person who gives money on interest. That is called shahukar in Hindi. So those people were entrapped, were caught in the circle of those middlemen. Once their father or forefather had taken some loan from those middlemen, and then they were caught. Not only those people who took loan from the middlemen, their whole generations, whole family, their son, and then after their son, were caught in that circle of money making, which was vicious. Vicious means greed for money. Even if we get organized, we are the ones who will be halted, hauled up by the police, beaten and dragged to jail for doing something illegal. They say. Means the people who were in that group, the young men who were in that group, they answered writer that if they thought anything illegal, if they started anything illegal, then they will be beaten and they will be sent jail by the police. It means they will be harassed, they will be beaten, they will be fined, and they will be sent to jail by the police. That's why they were doing their simply job of making bangles, and they were not taking any action other than making bangles. They were not they were not thinking other than making bangles. They had no dreams for other things. There is no elder among them, no one who could help them see things differently. Their fathers are as tired as they are. They talk endlessly in a spiral that moves from poverty to apathy to greed and to injustice. And after that, they there was no person who could lead those groups of young men. There was no person who could make them to dream something other than making bangles, to dream big. And they looked as tired as their forefathers, their fathers. And that's why they started talking about their life, about their problems. They started their they continued their endlessly talking. They talked in a spiral circular way, from poverty to apathy, means hate, then to greed, and then to injustice which was faced by them. So those poor people who were engaged in bangle making, they continuously talked about the problems of their life,